How to download your problem reports on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your problem reports on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and then go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down here until you find this one, download your information. Click on it and then click this one, deselect all, this one here, click on it and then go select your problems reports, your problem reports, and go down, click create file, and then just wait and it will be created. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.